Hi everyone, just wanted to pop it on and show you my almost completely finished vintage Christmas journal. So this is the cover and the spine, excuse me, and just have a quick little look through. So we've got our bookmark in there, little extra notebook, so it's quite lightly decorated, lots of stickers, little bits and little touches, but as always loads of room to write. I love these stickers. I got a little batch of stickers, Christmassy stickers. I absolutely love them. And there's a few stamps. I don't have a lot of Christmassy stamps, so there's a few, but there's quite a few pages that are just blank. Not all the pages are the same length. It's a little bit higgledy-piggledy, this one, but I kind of like that because it sort of adds to it, doesn't it? Just got to tie the little charms in, and then it will be completely ready to go. Excuse my fingers if they're a bit dirty. It's because I've been playing with inks today. Just a little bit stuck. I need to pop a little something in there. There we go. I've extended some of the pages with lace. Now, the thing is with this lace, when I put it in, I don't think it was quite dry because I dyed it. And it still is coming off a little tiny bit. So, yeah, but it has kind of gone over onto the other pages. I don't mind that too much. I might cover some of that up with washi tape. I don't mind it too much, though. I think it's because it was like a metallic thing. So the metallic does seem to come off a little bit. That's got a little bit folded back on itself. We'll press that down. Give it a good press down and that will straighten out again. I'll put a book on top of that for a little while. There's quite a few blank pages, quite a few with just a little tiny bit of decoration, a little bit of collaging, a little bit more of the metallic dyed lace. See, it hasn't done it so much on that side, it does on there. So it's weird, sometimes it seems to really hold and other than not so much. Little pockets, little treats in. See, as you can see, not all the pages are the same length. I don't even know how that happened, but it seems to have got a bit higgledy-piggledy, this one. But I don't mind it too much because I think it you know, it is handmade, and you can see that it's not all uniform. So I don't mind that too much. I think it's quite cute. Where there's a few, like there's a few pages here that I've got nothing going on, I might just add a few more little, either a stamp or a little sticker in there to just, for a bit of interest, or a little stencil. But to all intents and purposes, this is more or less finished. See, this one also has come across, I don't know about that. Just giving a little bit of bleed. It's the metallic though, so I've never had that happen with any other kind of ink. So that is my little vintage Christmas journal. I will probably just do a little tiny bit of tidying it up. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave that that lace on there that's been metallic dyed, because if it's going to leak out everywhere, I don't want people to get it all over their hands if they buy this, because this will be up in my Etsy shop very shortly. So I'm just having a little think about maybe replacing that dyed lace with some lace that hasn't been dyed, just so that it doesn't leave gold all over whoever buys its hands. But to all intents and purposes, that is done. Hope you have enjoyed having a look at it. Probably by the time I post this up, it will be in my Etsy store, so feel free to go have a look at that if you'd like to. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye for now.